plus the base product. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing amazing and having a lot of fun. So for today's video, I wanted to do something inspired by fall. I was kind of just playing with makeup and this is what I ended up with, and I'm actually obsessed with this look. I love the fall slash autumn slash Halloween season because there are so many amazing makeup looks that come up on my Instagram feed during this time, and everybody's in their smoky eye or smoky element, and I love that. Even my YouTube feed is filled with fall inspired, autumn inspired, orange tones, warm tones, brown tones kind of looks this season, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this little video, and yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I got this eye look done, then please keep on watching. So for today, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rosegold Remastered palette, one of my most favorite palettes in my collection, and I'm taking a mix of sandalwood and henna. Both are very neutral brown shades, and I'm using it as a transition. We're just buffing it, not over blending the shadow because it's a transition shade, and I'm taking it towards my brows a little bit. Now once I'm happy with the placement and the transition shade, I am going to take a purple toned shade. This one is called Risk in the palette, and I am taking a very light amount of it because this shade is very pigmented, and as you can see, I'm just placing it underneath the neutral tones and just giving it a shape. I am also giving it a wing at the end because if you have noticed, I always like to keep my eyeshadows in a winged sort of a shape because that makes my under eyes look more lifted and my eyes look a little bit more elongated. Now we have to intensify the purple to pop, but before that I'm going in with the transition shade once again ever so slightly, just so it still looks nice gradient. And now I'm going to pack a little bit more of that purple shade and just buff it around. Now we're going to cut the crease, and I get a lot of questions and DMs asking me about tips to create a perfect cut crease. So let me know if you would want to see a video on that. I can share all my tips and tricks in that. And I'm cutting the crease slightly above my natural crease line to give it a better pop when I open my eyes to the full. Once I'm done and happy with the cut crease, I took a little bit of the shade called Man-Eater mixed with the purple shade that we used, and I placed it on the outer V. Took a very little amount of Man-Eater because it's more on the hot pink side, and I still want the purple to pop. After packing it well, I'm just using almost next to no pressure, a very light hand, and I'm just feathering the shade towards the cut crease. And then I'm going to go ahead once again with the transition shade, just so every shade looks well blended and put together. Now on the cut crease, I'm using this very stunning shade called Blessed. This is a shimmer shade, and I'm using a very little amount of moon dust right on top of it because moon dust is more on the brighter side, and I'm just placing it on and blending towards the edges. And then for eyeliner, I'm using the Colorbar Melted Crystal Eyeliner just to add an extra dimension. And after the eyeliner, I'm also going to clean out the edges of the eyeshadow, and this makes it look more precise and beautiful. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the black truffle shade for the lower lash line. This is a very extremely pigmented black. You barely need to touch the pan to get maximum pigment, and I'm just buffing it around. Then I went ahead did the other eye off camera, and for mascara I used the Maybelline Hyper Curl. You already know my obsession with this beautiful baby, and the lashes that I'm wearing will be mentioned in the description in case you want to check that out. And will you believe if I said I almost forgot highlighter, because I really did. And all the base products that I've used for today will be mentioned in the description along with the link to this stunning pair of earrings. And yeah, in case you're interested, you can just check that out. And that's the final finished look for today, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and also the links to this beautiful pair of earrings will be mentioned in the description with all the base products that I've used for today. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.